In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete products on your Shopify store. So all you need to do is sign in to Shopify, go into the backend of your store and then click on products right there. So on the side menu, like the sidebar menu, click on products. You'll then find a list of all of your products. Now, I only have one random product because this is just a test store for making these videos, but all you need to do is select it, click on more actions, and then click on delete products right there, and then click on delete in order to delete your products. You can also select all of them at once and then click delete, but you'll see that right now it's deleting products deleted, and there you go. If I now go to my products, none are showing up. So that's how you can delete products on your Shopify store in 2020 and beyond. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out. Let me know in the comments down below if it works or if you have any questions. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.